Squarespace released a brand new template on Super Bowl Sunday available at hellodownThere.com. I found out about this template watching this Instagram ad. I was super excited for two very specific things. First, the colorful border, and second, most importantly, this awesome page loading animation where the new page would slide in from the side. I was very eager to give this brand new template a try and quickly discovered that those two features I was excited about are not currently available in Squarespace. It was just a part of the ad. Luckily, I spent the rest of the evening figuring out how to create it with CSS, and I did it. I figured it out. That's exactly what I'm going to teach you how to do in this tutorial. We'll be adding a brightly colored border to the entire website and creating a custom sliding in page animation. Now, as always, the codes I'm about to share are listed in the description below, but I'd love to teach you how to add them to your own website and how to customize them to make them uniquely yours. Without further ado, I'll go ahead and share my screen so we can get started. Here we are inside the brand new Squarespace template, and again, you can get your own version of this at hellodownThere.com. We'll go and check out the mobile version of our website too. You can see some awesome pages here, really cool, vibrant design, but no border and no slide-in page loading animation. For that, we'll need custom CSS. I'm going to navigate to Website, then I'll select Website Tools, and then Custom CSS. This is where we're going to paste the code that's underneath the video. I'm pressing Ctrl-V on my keyboard to paste the exact code in here, and check it out. We've got that sliding in animation and that full page border. Now, this first part of the code is what creates the animation. It says take the page and make it all the way to the right, 100% off of the screen. And then when the page is loaded, when it's at 100%, bring it all the way back to this side. So this is translateX, the x-axis. We pushed it all the way off the page and we slowly brought it back. Now, after that, we've said body, border 5px, solid, and this right here is the hex color code for this vibrant lime green color we've got going on. Change that color code to any color you need it to be for your unique website. This is going to place that 5px border all around the website, around the header. If we scroll down here, it goes all the way down to the bottom around the footer. It covers the entire website. Now, you can make this border larger if you want to. 15, that's pretty darn big. We can also bring it down to 1, so it's pretty tiny, super customizable right there. The last part of this code is what creates that animation, and I've also added an additional border of 1 pixel to the left. This right here says the animation takes 1 second. It's an ease out animation, and this is the name, SlideIn. You'll notice that's the name that we gave it in the very beginning part of our code. Now, this line right here, I've added a border to the left so we can see it visibly scoot in. We'll go ahead and select Save, and let's go back to the home page so you can watch it load. See the border that's on the edge of that page as it scrolls in to the left? That border right there is this line that I've highlighted. It says this border's 1 pixel in width, it's a solid line, and we're using that same color that we used to give a border to the entire website. Now, before we call this tutorial a wrap and you get to coding, I want to share one pro tip. Change this to a negative 100% and change this to border right if you wanted to slide in from the other side. I'll select Save and let's go to another page so we can see that happen. Now the loading in animation comes in from the opposite side. The code you'll find underneath the video actually says border left and says positive. But again, if you want to reverse the direction and have it come in from the other side, change this to a negative and change this to border right. After you've made all the changes you want to, select Save when you're done and you'll be good to go. Underneath this video, you'll find the codes that we use to create this effect in Squarespace and links to related content that I've created that can help you make Squarespace uniquely yours. I've included a link to my brand new free guide that has the 5 codes I use on every single Squarespace website. Squarespace can do a lot of really cool things, but CSS makes it even cooler. So if you want to check out some of the codes that I use on a regular basis, grab that free guide. It's linked in the description below and available at insidethesquare.co/5. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. And most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. Find everything you need to make Squarespace uniquely yours at insidethesquare.co. That's insidethesquare.co.